In order to obtain some building materials, we were dismantling local country houses. Those houses belonged to civilians. As the 28th Brigade had already been in that area, all the houses were plundered and devastated. The property held in cellars was looted, and we had to deal with little. The commander told us to take what we needed. We took to pieces local country houses to improve our trench shelters' accommodation conditions. We were dismantling metal doors, trying to choose the best, thickest material to fortify our trench shelters. Our unit, armored troop, was stationed in private sector of Novotroitsky. We lived in a private house. I know nothing about the owner's location, but the military personnel lived there in pretty nice conditions.